now. Now we're gonna paint our own dinosaur. This is our dinosaur. This dinosaur is called a Brontosaurus. Now, here's the dinosaur and the brush, and of course the paint. And there's colors of red, blue, yellow, and green. And now, let's get started. Now let's do the painting. Let's open it up. Now we're gonna do painting with a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Now let's get started. Yes, first we're gonna make a rainbow. First, up is red. And this side too. And the neck. Now here's the red. Now we're gonna do some yellow. Now here's the yellow. Now let's color it here. Wow. Wait. Wow. We made orange by mixing red and yellow. Let's color in this side, that side, with a little bit more orange. Yeah, we made more yellow. Now it's better. Now let's do green. Wow, there's a lot of green. Let's get painting. Now this is green. Now let's add the blue. Whoa, a lot of blue here. Now, let's color here. Now this is our blue. Now we're gonna mix it with some red and blue. Which is, I already got some blue on my brush. Gonna mix it with red. Now, let's make tail purple. Now, whoa, can you see it? It's getting purple. Now, it's a purple dinosaur, or maybe a rainbow. I hope you enjoy video. Enjoy the weekend. Press the like button and press the subscribe button for more Zach's Journal videos. Bye!